Thank you very much. Now, Srimati Jaya Bachchan. Srimati Jaya Bachchan.
जी सर, थैंक यू थैंक यू सर। एक कंप्लेन है कि शाम को 7 बजे के बाद जब यहाँ हम लोग बैठते मच्छर बहुत काटते हैं।
ऐसे क्या करें?
हाँ? नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि 6 बजे के बाद हाउस में इन लोग फ्यूमिगेट करते होंगे, मगर जब हम एक्सटेंड करते हैं हाउस को तो शाम को मच्छर बहुत काटते हैं।
That's a good suggestion.
Thank you,
We'll do that.
ये टाइम के अंदर नहीं है।
हाँ नहीं, ये टाइम के अंदर नहीं है। Sir, there is much jubilation about what is being called a super budget by some and budget for corporate India by some. I'm surprised what the happiness is all about, since the budget seems to be long on vision and low on immediate benefits. Sir, मुझे यकीन नहीं होता है कि अरुण जी का contribution इस budget में है, because I have known Arun ji as a person who's a gentleman, compassionate, balanced and unbiased. This cannot be his thoughts for the nation and its people. I will ask only few clarifications, sir, and I hope this time I get an answer because I didn't last time. अब ये शब्द बार बार सबने कहा, मगर क्या करें, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग स्लोगन है तो I have to say it. स्वच्छ भारत बहुत अच्छा स्लोगन है सर। क्या ये सिर्फ somebody's mobile is on?
नहीं, ये स्पीकर ये बोल रहा है, ट्रांसलेशन है।
सर, ये स्वच्छ भारत जो है क्या सिर्फ सड़क तक ही सीमित है? क्योंकि इसमें प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर is absent, so conspicuous. Sorry, absent. Do you not feel that the need of the hour is access to quality health care, family planning through awareness, care and services? With such drastic cuts, how are you showing any kind of efforts to elevate women and the child? इसके बारे में बहुत बार इस हाउस में चर्चा हुई, हम लोग बहुत ज़ोर शोर से बोले, मगर हम लोग महिलाएं शोर करते रहते हैं अपने लिए, बच्चों के लिए, मगर यहाँ बहुत से बैठे पुरुष जो सत्ता संभाले हुए हैं, शायद उनको ये उनके दिमाग में तो बात जाती है, दिल तक नहीं पहुँचती है। Sir, as you are aware, according to the budget of healthcare of the SAARC nations, which gave healthy indication of their concern for women and child development, why have we reduced our healthcare expenditure to mere 4% of our government expenditure? स्वच्छ नहीं सफल हो सकता है सर जब तक हमारे देश की महिलाएं और बच्चे स्वस्थ और सच नहीं रहेंगे। छत्तीसगढ़ में सर जो महिला स्टेरिलाइजेशन के बाद नहीं बच पाई, क्या ये क्यों हुआ? इसका जवाब सही तरह से आज तक इस हाउस में नहीं मिला। क्या यही आने वाले स्वच्छ भारत और स्वस्थ भारत का रूप होगा? मेरी फ्रेंड है कहकशा जी, वो चाहती थी कि मैं महिलाओं की तरफ से कुछ कहूं, और वो है पैरों में बांधकर यूं रस्मों की जंजीरें और चूड़ियों से तकाजा है कि खनकते रहिए। सर, आई थिंक it's really very sad. So my next clarification is about the drastic cut in our cultural entertainment industry. I keep saying that, talking about the cultural and entertainment industry, because that's where I come from and I understand this. I do not understand too many numbers in terms of allocation to budgets. So do you think that any country can be called progressive without pride in their heritage? Entertainment is a part of our cultural legacy. If the burden on this industry, which caters to a large number of people of this country and the diaspora, keeps increasing every year through heavy direct and indirect taxation, it will suffocate not only creativity, but deprive large number of daily wage workers. Sir, I brought this to the minister's notice last year as well, and I still await a supportive response, especially since the minister is in charge of this industry as well. The allocation for promotion of art and culture has been reduced from 60 crores to 3.2 crores this year. I mean, it's sab culture vulture ho jayega, sir. In one hand, you're cutting allocations, and the other hand, starting new institutes. अभी बजट में अनाउंस किया गया है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में एक नया इंस्टीट्यूट खुल रहा है, गेमिंग सेंटर खुल रही हैं. When you already have institutes in Pune, in Kolkata, you have NSD here, I do not understand why you need to start a similar organization so close to Kolkata. Instead, put in more money into these existing organizations and let them do well, because all these organizations are really in a very, very pathetic state. They are almost not functioning. Sir, the maximum cut has been made for the schemes of promotion and dissemination of art and culture. It is very surprising that these cuts have been made by the government, which schemes itself to be great harbinger and protector of our cultural values. And I'm afraid that what they have projected in the budget does not show. So similarly, zonal cultural centers that are nerve centers of our identification, promotion of the art and culture at zonal level, and which are proved to be very useful institutions, the allocations have been reduced from 87 crores last year to only 55 crores this year. So for example, NSD is again a premier institution in Delhi, whose share has been reduced from rupees 43 crores to 13.45 crores. National Gallery of Modern Art gets only rupees 5.58 crores as compared to rupees 22 crores last year. Artist pensions, they have not been allocated any money this year. What happens to all these artists who are old and have no earning? I think the government needs to pay attention here. The Archaeological Survey of India is not able to take them up because cannot take up
Totally bad.
restoration. I'm finishing.
No. I am asking about artist pension, no money?
No,
I don't think.
no.
I think minister should look at it. Yeah, okay, please. Yeah.
Sir, the ASI is doing a great job in our country by protecting and preserving old monuments, cultural heritage. They are not being able to take up any work now because hundreds of our ancient monuments are being removed by the mafia and builders, and the ASI not being able to protect them because they have no money. There is no allocation, a very poor allocation. They have been given the same amount of money that they were given last time.
Yeah, I know, but party time is over. That's the problem. Extra time
Time
taken.
is over, but issue is very important.
अपनी तरफ से दे दीजिए थोड़ा.
Sir, time is over, but issue is very important.
Pardon?
This issue is
Then-
very important.
Then you should be ready to reduce your time. No. See, I am ready to give her maximum time. Yes.
Yes, we are ready.
See, Sharma ji, I am ready to give her maximum time, but you should be ready to sacrifice at least 5 minutes of yours. Then you are not ready.
Collectively, all
No.
the parties.
Take from somebody's kitty and
No, the
give.
government also.
No.
The treasury benches, why no? This means they are anti-women. We will give 5 minutes of our time.
Yeah.
About them.
Okay.
We will give.
Okay,
Yeah.
please allow.
All right. 5 minutes
I
of
think-
Congress party I am giving you. He is deputy leader. You
Sir,
speak.
no, I'm very happy with my own party. Thank you for their support. Sir, I think out of all the male members who have spoken, I'm the only woman who's speaking. I think you would? No?
No.
So, I'm not asking for any concessions, but at least treat me as equal. सर यहाँ जितने लोग बोले हैं, एवरीबडी हैज स्पोकन अबाउट कटौती, बजट में ये कटौती, बजट में वो कटौती, इसमें कटौती, तो बढ़ोतरी कहाँ है? आई वुड रियली लाइक टू नो। और ये जो अमृत पिरारे थे वो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया। सो मेनी स्पीकर्स हैव स्पोकन, आई हैव नॉट फाउंड अमृत in any of the speeches. I've only heard of Katauti. Sir, unfortunately, ये बजट जो है प्रचारकों के द्वारा सिर्फ प्रचार है। Thank you.